Let's all breathe easy with these 3-ply masks from this safety kit by MagiCare.
You got that right.
Before 2019, if you weren't a medical professional or worked in some kind of doctor's office, be honest, did you know what a 3-ply mask was? You know those things that have been dominating our culture for the last few years? Well, today we're taking a look at these 3-ply masks by the brand MagiCare. In a world where people protect themselves with things ranging from bandanas to hazmat suits, the 3-ply mask holds a special place in our hearts. These particular 3-ply masks feel very sturdy and have a nice strong metal nose bridge, which is really important for protecting and creating a strong seal on the face. When shopping for masks, the things to look out for are that it's at least 3 layers, or what's called a 3-ply, the ear loops are strong and will hold the mask to your face, and the nose bridge is made of metal, which creates a better seal. It also doesn't hurt to look for an ASTM rating, which we have a whole nother video about, so thumb over to our profile.